Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my name is Claire and here we are on Let's Fix the Kitchen. So today, still in the village vlogmas, I'm gonna show you how to light up a sawdust JIKO. So today I'm going to cook on the sawdust JIKO and I'm gonna show you step by step on how we light it. So we're going to put in sawdust and show you step by step. So let's go. We remove that top thing there and we go put in the sawdust. Oh, village. So here is where you put our sawdust. We're going to put in the JIKO. We first put in that Fanta bottle. It is going to hold the sawdust. That is the first step. Then we open the sack of sawdust. We put in like that. Life is so beautiful here in the village, guys. So you're gonna do that until the sawdust fill on the brim. That is the front view of a 50-year-old hut. That house is like 30 years. Oh my gosh. So the sawdust is already halfway. We're gonna fill it up to the brim. Then she's going to press it like that, and the purpose of that bottle is just to get hold of the soda so that it doesn't fall off when we light it. She's going to add in another one because it's not here enough. Continue pressing. So she's gonna press like that so that the sawdust doesn't fall off when you light it up. And the purpose of that bottle, guys, is to hold on the sawdust. She's using a lot of energy to press the sawdust. It's gonna take for like 3 minutes. Sawdust. Hey, sawdust. So she's going to remove the bottle slowly so that the sawdust doesn't fall off. Just like that. She's a pro. For me, guys, I can't do it, but she's used to doing such kind of things. Once we live in the city, so her being in the village, she's used to doing such kind of things. So you're gonna carry it, then we show you how we light it up. We carry it so slowly and careful, like an egg. So she's going to close it with that lid and tap. She's gonna close it so tight so that the sawdust can stick on it. So the next part is we're going to light it up and we're going to use it to cook dog's food. So guys, we're going to use the firewood. We break it into small pieces. Yeah. So she's going to do like that until it fills that hole. Then we're gonna light it up. And we're also going to use the carton box to make it easy for lighting. We also put it down there. Let me see it. There's another hole there. So we also insert another carton box and small sticks. So windy, so the matchbox, oh my gosh, it's gonna be wasted. Like, let's try and see. It's so windy, guys. Oh my gosh, another one wasted already. The last one. Aye. Let's hope that one will light up. Oh my gosh, another one again. Hope that one will light up. Ooh la la. Hope it was lighting up, because oh my gosh, we've wasted a lot of matchbox. Has it lightened up? Yeah? Wow. Let's see that one. Oh. So guys, we're still struggling to light up the JIKO. It's too windy, so let's hope this one will work out. We're gonna use that nylon paper. Oh, let's try. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. You can see the amount of matchbox we've wasted already. Oh no. The last one. Oh, so guys, let's try this piece of sack. We've tried all kind of things, but the wind won't let us light up the sawdust. So we're going to try the piece of sack. I just hope it lights up, because it's getting late and the dogs have to eat. You can see they're already crying there. I just hope it lights up, guys. So guys, after several attempts, now the sawdust decided to light up. We used the piece of sack. It has really taken us a lot of time, but you know, in Africa we do things slow but being sure. Yeah, you can see the fire there. So guys, the sawdust is already there lighting up, and to make it last for like 4 hours, you put in a stick inside. So once the stick burns, you keep on adding more and pushing it inside, because the sawdust is being held by the stick. So this thing can cook for 6 hours, and you can even boil githeri, a mixture of corn and beans, and it's going to burn the githeri, and guys, you won't even believe it. So I'm going to show you how to place the sufuria on and the dog's feed. Wow, yeah. So guys, you can see the fire. So the more the sawdust burns, you keep on pushing this stick here, because it also holds the sawdust inside, and you do it slowly. You're gonna place in the sufuria, and you can see how it looks like, and that is the dog's feed. It feeds on this daily. It's just a bunch of meat pieces. So it's going to boil for 3 hours, then we give them after it has cooled down. So this is what our dogs feed on every day. They take care of us during the night. Yeah, so that is how we do it in the village. Yeah, that is all for today. So guys, enjoy watching the video. Subscribe to Let's Fix the Kitchen, and I'll be doing this kind of vlogmas for like 6 or 7 days when I'm still here. Yeah, that is the view of the skies. So hot and sunny. Subscribe, like, comment and share. Let's grow together. Bye bye.